How to change the sale price on Shopify products. Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'll show you step by step how to do so. It is very simple and easy to do, so let's just go ahead and get to it. First, log into your Shopify admin, click on products, and just select any product that you want to add a sale price to. For example, this golden ring. So first, you're going to have this base price for it, so $720 in my case. So all we need to do is enable compare at price. So we just, again, hover over to the price section and click on compare at. Now the compare at is going to be basically the higher price, which would be the original one. So in this case, it's going to be $720. And then for the this one, the original price, you simply just want to make it less. So this is going to be the after sale price. So let's just say 500. So now it's going to be basically say that it was 720, now it's 500. And you simply just want to click on save. And that is pretty much all you need to do. So if we just go to our online store and view this specific product, we can see that the changes have taken place and now it has a new sale price. You can even see that it does have a sale badge from the homepage. So you can see now the previous price and after sale price. So this is pretty much it for this video. Hopefully you found it to be informative and helpful. And for more information, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and thank you for watching.